Welcome to the culinary journey across Africa. I'm so excited to share some of the continent's most incredible dishes with you. When people think about African food, they often don't realize the incredible diversity we're dealing with. 54 countries, each with unique flavors, ingredients, and traditions passed down through generations. Today, we're exploring the best African cuisine and why it's so special. Get ready for vibrant spices, unique textures, and a whole lot of flavor. All right, folks, let's dive right into the heart of West African cuisine with a dish that's near and dear to millions. Jollof rice. This ain't your grandma's rice dish, let me tell you. We're talking about a symphony of flavors and aromas that'll knock your socks off. Picture this, fluffy, long-grain rice cooked to perfection in a rich tomato-based broth. But here's the kicker, it's the blend of spices where the magic really happens. We're talking onions, tomatoes, ginger, garlic, Scotch bonnet peppers, the holy trinity, and a secret blend of spices that varies from family to family, region to region. Some folks like it hot with extra Scotch bonnets, others prefer a milder warmth. It's all about finding that perfect balance of flavors. Traditionally served with your choice of protein, succulent grilled chicken or fish, maybe some juicy lamb, jollof rice is a celebration of West African culture and a testament to the power of simple ingredients transformed into something truly extraordinary. Next stop, South Africa, where we're about to get our hands dirty with a dish that's as unique as its name, bunny chow. Now before you get any ideas, no bunnies were harmed in the making of this iconic street food. It's actually a hollowed-out loaf of white bread stuffed to the brim with the most flavorful curry you've ever tasted. This dish has its roots in the Indian community of Durban, and let me tell you, they know their curry. The story goes that Indian laborers needed a portable, no-fuss way to carry their lunches, and voila! Bunny chow was born. Imagine digging into a warm, crusty loaf of bread, the aroma of spices hitting you like a warm hug. And then, the curry. Rich, flavorful, and often packing a bit of heat, it's a carnivore's dream, with options like chicken, lamb, or beef. Bunny chow is a true melting pot of cultures, a testament to the ingenuity and resourcefulness that defines South African cuisine. Get ready to be transported to the bustling souks and fragrant spice markets of Morocco, because we're about to dive into the world of tagine. This dish is more than just a meal, it's a way of life in Morocco. Slow-cooked stews in a conical earthenware pot, also called a tagine, lock in incredible flavors. The beauty of tagine lies in its versatility, endless variations, each more tantalizing than the last. From tender lamb with sweet dates and apricots to chicken with preserved lemons and olives, the combinations are only limited by your imagination. The key is the blend of spices: cumin, coriander, turmeric, ginger, saffron, a kaleidoscope of aromas. As the stew simmers, the flavors meld and deepen, creating a culinary masterpiece to be savored slowly, with freshly baked bread to soak up every last drop. We're heading to Ethiopia, where things are about to get a little different. Meet injera, a spongy, slightly sour flatbread that's also a utensil. Made from teff flour, injera has a distinctive tangy flavor. Once you go injera, you never go back. Picture a large, thin injera, like a giant pancake, draped over a platter. On top, an array of colorful stews, vegetables, and spicy meat dishes. You use pieces of injera to scoop up the food. The bread soaks up all the delicious juices and flavors. It's messy, communal, and unforgettable. Last but not least, we're finishing our culinary adventure in South Africa with a dish that's close to my heart, bobotie. This comforting casserole is a true reflection of South Africa's rich history and cultural fusion. Think of it as a culinary love child between Dutch and Indonesian influences, with a little bit of South African flair thrown in for good measure. At its core, bobotie is a spiced minced meat dish, usually lamb or beef, baked with a creamy egg custard topping. But the real secret lies in the blend of spices. We're talking curry powder, turmeric, cinnamon, cloves, and often dried fruit like raisins or apricots for a touch of sweetness. The result is a harmonious blend of sweet, savory, and spicy flavors that will have your taste buds singing. Traditionally served with yellow rice and some chutney on the side, bobotie is a true celebration of South African heritage and a must-try for anyone looking to experience the country's diverse culinary landscape. Thanks for joining us on this delicious journey through some of Africa's most iconic dishes. From the fiery spices of jollof rice to the unique presentation of bunny chow and the aromatic stews of tagine, we've only just scratched the surface of what African cuisine has to offer. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more culinary adventures. Let us know in the comments which African dish is your favorite. Until next time, happy eating.